Hi, Aniruddha here. I hope you are looking for full stack developer job and that's why you have landed on this video. If you are looking for a job, yes, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to share with you 5 tips for getting a job and that are really important. You might be knowing that, you might not be knowing that, but I request you stay along with me till the end of this video. So when you talk about what you can say hunting a job, when you are hunting a job, right, there is a process, right? You need to prepare. It's not like that you are looking for a job randomly and you got a job. There are such kind of what you can say examples also, that randomly people are looking for a job and they got the job. But if you want to get what you can say whatever your dream job, you need to go through the process, right? So these are the 5 important steps that will really help you. First and very important step is that preparing for the interviews. So if you want to become a full stack developer, or if you want to get a job as a full stack developer, right, you need to prepare for it, no matter what stack you have. It can be meanstack, mernstack, Java full stack, Python full stack, whatever. But very important step, right, is tip number 1, interview preparation. You need to prepare for the interview dedicatedly. You need to give a time. You need to search interview questions. You need to watch the videos on the YouTube, how people have faced the interviews, what you need to speak, right? What kind of answers you are going to get, and all that things you need to research and you need to prepare. I'm going to share a few examples with you. You can see over here. If you can see here, one example, if you are looking for a meanstack or mernstack developer, you need to get sure shot questions on the JavaScript. So first thing, you need to search the questions like this. Can you see, list out the important features of the ES6? Then what is the spread operator? How do you copy the array, right? Concatenating the array, a lot of things like this. If you are preparing for the interviews, focus on the data structures and the algorithms, right? So I know, so there are examples like finding nth element in the array, reversing the array, copying the array. These things sounds or looks easy, but type the code, right? Type the code and practice it a lot. Practice it in the different aspects, right? I'm very sure this technique will help you, and I'm very sure this tip, first tip, that is the interview preparation. You might be knowing this thing, but how do you prepare the interview? Google out the questions, see the videos on the YouTube, search the repositories like this. So this is one of the mernstack, and this is what you can say similar for the Java also, right? So this will really help you in getting a job. This is a tip number 1. Remember that. Now second tip would be search for the companies, right? Remember that you need to identify the companies. Well, you can keep yourself open for any sort of companies, no problem, but you should have a list of companies with you where you are going to apply. Then why I'm saying the targeted search means you are going to apply to the targeted companies. So search the companies, make a company's analysis, make a list, make an Excel sheet of them, and then study what kind of questions these people ask, what's the interview process, how it would be getting, how applying job, how do you apply over here, right? What is the process exactly? Kindly understand all that things and make your solid analysis before applying to particular companies. So first thing, you need to list out the companies, you need to identify the interview process, then you need to identify what kind of question these people ask, right? Then go to the YouTube and search, are there any interviews for this company? Then go to the Google and search what kind of interview question for XYZ company, right? Make an analysis, and that will really help you. Again, whenever you are applying as a full stack developer, right, first search it out, are there any openings available or not? Another thing, if you have any references in that company, right, please forward your resume over there. That will really help you. So making analysis and having your concrete research on the company where you are going to apply, that will really help you. Remember that this tip is going to help you at the time of cracking the interviews. Mark my words, analysis of the companies is really important, right? This tip will surely help you. Then you are applying for a technical job. Remember that you need to showcase your technical skills. Now you will ask me, so how do you showcase your technical skills, right? First thing, let's have your own Git repository or Git profile. So whenever you are applying a job in a company, remember that you are applying to the technical position, right? You are applying to what? Technical position. So you need to showcase your skills, and being a technical person, how do you showcase your skills? By means of the code you have implemented. See, now you are a full stack developer, right? Which means that from the development to the deployment, everything you would be doing. So why not to type a code and push it to the GitHub, right? And write a proper documentation over there. So whenever you go for the interview, right, you can showcase your profile. See, I'm doing this thing, you can showcase in this way. So I'm doing this thing from last these many days, right? You can go to the profile and you can check it. That will make another level of impact at the time of interview. No matter you are a fresher or you are an experienced person, right? You will get some another impressions in front of the interviewer. This tip will help you, right? And what will happen, there are some companies who search the developers and they may contact you by looking at the Git repository also. So in other words, you are opening the another channel of attracting to the recruiters. That will really help you. A Git profile, having a Git profile is going to make, what you can say, a huge impact on your job hunt. Now, in the same fashion of the GitHub, right, LinkedIn will play very important role in your job hunting. This is a tip number 4. Remember that LinkedIn, your LinkedIn profile, your activities on the LinkedIn is going to impact a lot, right? So what you will be doing on the LinkedIn, you can create a simple poll like what is the output of this program. You can create a simple program, upload a poll over there. You can like the posts or the articles from the expert people in the industry, right? And there you can put your comments, so your profile would be getting a visibility, right? Even you can apply open to work flag over there. That will also really help you. But remember that LinkedIn can give you a job. Remember, mark my words, LinkedIn can give you a job. If you do something like this, right? So on the LinkedIn, this thing is very important, right? People search from here. By looking at the headline, your profile gets visibility. So as in my opinion, polishing your LinkedIn profile is really important. You can put the comments, right? Then you can put your own posts, you can generate the polls, right? Or you can generate a very small videos, a short videos, a 1-minute videos about your profile, what you do, what you do, what kind of job you are looking for, and other things. In 1 minute you can put it on your profile. Mark my words, that will really help you a lot. Okay, so tip number 4 is the LinkedIn, right? Fifth tip and the last one, that is nothing but job portals. Job portals. Create your profile on the job portal. If you are in India, I will recommend go to the Naukri and the Indeed. Apply over there. First make a profile and then apply over there. That is going to help you a lot. Whenever you are hunting a job, right, creating a resume is the first thing. And these portals are having classical tools, right, where just go on adding the details, automatically your resume would be getting prepared. And they have a huge network of companies, right? And company owners do search. It's kind of a search engine, right? So if you want to attract the recruiters to your profile, make your LinkedIn profile, Indeed profile, and a profile on the job portals very, very fantastic. And I'm very sure you would be getting classical results, right? So here are the 5 tips that will really help you. Tip number 1, interview preparation, a dedicated interview preparation. Tip number 2, make a concrete analysis of the companies where you are going to apply. So instead of applying randomly, make an analysis and then apply. Tip number 3, GitHub profile. You should have a fantastic Git repository where you can showcase your skill, technical skill over there. Then there is a LinkedIn. On the LinkedIn, polish your LinkedIn profile as much as possible. Then you can say create your profile on the job portals. Whatever job portals are there, but you should have profile on the job portal. If you follow these 5 steps, right, that will help you in getting quality job, right? That will really help you, and that will expedite the process of getting a job. I hope this video you have watched and you got some information from this video. I wish you the best for getting your next dream job. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, share the video, and press the bell icon. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.